Students, all of you know that we have started a Pure English course. We have started NEET Prep Pure English channel, right? And we want to celebrate a very important day, 7th November. 7th November is the birth date of the first person in India who got Nobel Prize for Science, right? C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, right? He was born in Madras Presidency, which is now Tamil Nadu, right? And he got Nobel Prize in 1930 for what? It's called Raman effect now, which was basically around scattering of light, right? So we are going to celebrate this proud son of India, right? This gentleman who brought laurels to India, the first Nobel Prize in Science, proved to the world that Indians can also do high-flying research, right? Raman effect on scattering of light, right? And what we are going to do, students, is till 7th November, NEET Prep Pure English course access is going to be free. Access is going to be free. We are going to upload another video in which we will tell you how you can access NEET Prep Pure English course till 7th November. It is going to be free. The purpose is two. One is you need to understand the power of online coaching, right? And how online coaching can help you prepare much better than going to local tutors, right? The quality of what do we provide in online coaching in our course? Videos, 500 hours plus, right? Practice questions, 20,000 plus. Mock test, 25 plus. Chapter wise test, because there are 97 chapters in NEET 7, 97 plus. Problem solving live sessions, +, right? And we are going to motivate you, guide you, and provide mentorship to you, right? If you're not aware, NEET Prep started in 2016 with the idea that in remote areas there are smart, intelligent students, hardworking students, but they are not able to afford or access quality teachers, right? They have the dreams, they have the aspirations of becoming a doctor, they know there is an exam called NEET which they have to crack, but they do not have the resources available to go to a big coaching. So what do? If you study from books, you will not be able to understand. So one option is coaching, other option is books, and today third option is available, which is video based online coaching, right? Till now, up to Maharashtra, students would buy a course, because in our course, which a lot of students would buy, teachers would talk in Hindi, they would write on the board in English. Now we have come up with a course which is a pure English course, right? Specifically for 6 states in South, 5 states and 1 union territory, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry, right? Where students, majority of students might not understand Hindi, they will understand English. And students who can't afford coaching, who try and study from books and are not able to understand anything, this is the option which a lot of students in North have selected in our course, and we hope a lot of students in South would also start preparing from this and get the confidence of cracking NEET, rather than feel bad that my dad cannot afford, so I could not crack NEET. That thing would be over. That is our desire. So you should know before you come to this conclusion whether I should buy this course or not, you should take free access till this 7th November date, this auspicious date when C.V. Raman was born, Nobel laureate, and experience this course and understand whether you can sit at home and study from best teachers in the country and crack NEET. If you have any questions, right, how to access this free course, you can send me a WhatsApp on this number and we would provide you access of the course. We will also provide you a video in which we will explain to you how you can get free access of this course. Hopefully students, you will benefit from this. This is a great date, makes us feel all so proud, and hopefully by this date you will also figure out the power of online coaching which is possible today in this world in which Jio is so cheap, smartphones, laptops cheap, and on top of it NEET Prep pure English course, and hopefully you will find the confidence to crack NEET and achieve your dream of becoming a doctor. All right students.